Well, I'm not asking right now, okay? So I smell the odor of burnt cannabis in this vehicle. I've had it confirmed by another officer. Stop reaching! Stop reaching! Stop reaching! Stop reaching!
Stop reaching out the car. Please, sir.
I mean, you may need to...
Any medical?
Sir, you know.
Put your hand behind your back now.
May 1st, 2024, Belle Isle, Florida. What began as a routine traffic stop in Belle Isle, Florida, quickly spiraled into chaos. Officers stopped an SUV for faulty trailer lights, but a simple roadside encounter soon turned into a violent struggle that left one officer seriously injured. As tensions rose and commands were ignored, events unfolded in a matter of seconds, captured entirely on body-worn cameras.
What's going on?
The light, man, hurts my eye.
The light is hurting your eye? What's going on?
I don't know what you mean.
You were just calling a friend?
Yeah, he wanted my ID.
Oh, okay, you got your ID?
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you don't need it, then we good.
Yeah, we can take your ID.
That's okay. If you don't need it, we good, sir. I'm sorry.
Well, like I said, we'll take your ID, okay?
No, we're good, sir.
What's up?
I say we're good, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, no, but I need your ID that you just called me over here for.
No, I was talking to the other gentleman, Mr. Wilson or Wilkinson.
Officer Mathews?
I think that's his name.
Yeah. So I'm going to take him your ID. Let me get your ID. You okay, man? The light's way over there, and it's like...
My eye is very sensitive.
Your eyes are very sensitive?
My eye is very sensitive.
Okay, to what? To light?
Yes.
Okay, because the light is over there, and you're still like this.
You don't understand how sensitive. My eyes is supposed to be at 15 or 20, average eye.
Okay.
My eyes swell up to 89.
Oh, okay.
And it's still above normal.
Gotcha.
So that light irritates it.
So even if the light's not in your eye...
Oh, sir, please. I'm being, it's cordial.
Yeah, so am I.
Yeah,
I'm asking you a simple question.
Yes, sir,
even if the light's not in your eye, it bothers you?
Even if it's not directly in the eye, it's very sensitive.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this light, would you
Yes,
agree
sir.
this is just like a headlight on another vehicle?
No, that light is a little bit more intense.
Oh no, this is the same as a headlight on a
And
vehicle.
when the headlight is coming, I look to the side. I don't look directly at the headlights.
Okay.
Yeah, and
Yeah, if a headlight is bothering you, man, I don't know if you should be out on the roadway driving.
Confrontational, sir. The light indirectly, it bothers my eye.
No, of course, yeah, no, that's not confrontational at all. It's just a simple conversation. I'll let him know because we might have to sign you up for.
I don't need all that.
Yeah. Well, if you can't see headlights coming at you, man, I mean that's pretty dangerous. So I'll let him know. I'll give him a heads up, okay?
No one never said I can't see headlights coming at me.
Well,
You're making up words now. Sir.
Well, I'm just asking you. This is equivalent to a headlight, and you're saying it's too bright for you. And it's not even in your face. So if you have other cars coming at you, I mean, you're a danger to the other public.
That light is in my eye.
No, the light is exactly where it's at right now. Okay. All right, hang tight for us.
For several minutes, officers attempted to communicate with the driver and identify everyone involved. The interaction remained tense, but largely verbal. However, the situation changed dramatically when officers reported smelling burnt marijuana coming from the vehicle and asked the driver to step outside.
All right, Carlos. So, all right, boss. So what I'll have you do, okay, I'm gonna have you step out with me, okay? Well, I'm not asking right now, okay? So I smell the odor of burnt cannabis in this vehicle. I've had it confirmed by another officer.
Oh, sir,
Stop reaching.
No one's reaching for nothing, sir.
Okay, I'm telling you.
May get us call a supervisor, please,
We'll
sir.
call a supervisor, but we need you to get out the car.
No, sir.
Carlos.
This is illegal, sir.
I'm asking you.
Sir, this is illegal. What
Within
you're
my
doing
job.
to me is illegal, sir. What you're doing to me is illegal.
Carlos, stop reaching. Stop reaching. Stop reaching. Stop reaching.
Stop reaching out the car.
Stop.
Get out the car.
Help! Why? Help! 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 Help!
You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased. Stop. You're gonna get tased.
Get out of the car!
Stop. Get out the car. Get out the car. Hey! Relax, Carlos. Relax. Mathews. Look what you're doing. Look what you're doing. Stop. Stop.
I'm not trying to run. I'm not trying to run. I'm Zach. I'm Zach, sir. I'm Zach. Stop. I'm Zach. I shoot on myself. You made me shoot on myself. You guys, this is what I'm doing, sir.
Stop.
Sir, please, stop. Please, sir. Please, sir. I mean, you made me do.
Any medical?
Sir, you know.
Put your hand behind your back now.
As officers moved to investigate further, the driver refused to comply with commands. What followed was a rapidly escalating confrontation. Officers believed the suspect was reaching inside the vehicle, creating concerns for their safety and forcing them to act quickly to gain control of the situation.
I'm not running.
Stop resisting!
I'm not. Look how you doing my arm, sir.
I got his.
Matthew, please, look how you doing my arm, sir.
Stop
Look
resisting!
how you run, sir. Please. Please, Matthew.
Stop.
This is me, man.
Stop.
Ow!
Stop.
I'm not doing anything, sir. Please.
I got it.
Oh, I need a hospital. I need a hospital. Mama.
Go relax.
Mama.
Go relax. Step aside.
I need a hospital.
Go
Ouch.
relax.
My wife.
Stop.
Man, sir, I'm
Stop.
not ready. Can I please straighten out? My shoulder. I can't. Oh, you hurt me. Oh, sir, please. Please, no, I'm not resisting, ma'am.
Yes, I'm 10-12. Do we have?
Ma'am, I'm not resisting. I'm not trying to run.
Is that E51?
Check your officers, sir. Sir, why are you doing this to me? Why? Why?
Stop.
I'm
Relax.
not moving. Sir, I
Secure
did.
now.
Sir, I did cocky on myself. Please. Sir, you made me do shit on myself. Sir, would you please? Sir, man.
Matthews, go sit.
Matthew, please.
Go sit. It's all right. He's good.
Please.
Go sit.
I'm not trying to run.
Just go sit right there.
Sir. Sir, may I please put my leaves down? I'm not trying to run. I'm not trying to run, sir. Ow. Please, my arm. I can't breathe.
All of you, this can slow. He's secured.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe, sir. Please, officer, wait. Sir, I can't breathe.
County Belle Isle 148 Alpha. Be advised, Belle Isle 21 was ran over by a trailer being hauled by the vehicle.
Sir, I'm not trying to run. Can I please get off this, please, sir? I did cocky on myself. Please, can I have some respect, please? Man, I'm never trying to run.
Not right now.
I'm not trying to
I'm
run.
not saying negative.
My arms, I'm not trying to run.
All right.
Please, man. I can't breathe.
We'll get you up in a minute. Hold on.
I got shit on me,
We'll get
man.
you up in a minute.
Please, ow, my. Ow! Ow, please, man. I'm not trying to run. Ow, my wrist.
All
Ow,
right. We'll
please.
get you up in a minute.
Oh, man, please.
Stay right there. Relax.
Sir, my
Calm
arm.
down. He's not. Dad,
I'm not trying to run.
the trailer ran him over.
So you yanked
had the car and drive and take it off.
You yanked me out of the car. My wrist. My wrist. Man, he yanked me, sir.
10-9 County?
Sir, please, my wrist. Please, sir. I'm a human, please.
I'm trying to treat you like a human. You're not acting like a human right now, sir. You escalated this whole situation.
No, I did not, sir. You sat in the light of my eye. I can't see. When you walked off, I can't see, sir.
Stop rolling around. Stay still.
My wrist.
Stay still.
Please, my wrist, sir. If you can shift my wrist, I will promise I'll stop moving. My wrist, please, sir. I'm a human. Please, sir.
I need gloves. You need gloves?
Ow.
He hasn't been searched yet.
Oh.
He just kept reaching for something the whole time.
I have nothing to reach for, so you're wrong.
You reached the whole time.
No, you're wrong.
You didn't want to get out the car. You reached the whole time.
You're wrong. You yanked me out and the car wasn't in drive. I tried to put it in drive and your car hit Mr.
You tried to put it in
Watson.
drive?
No.
Yes, you just said
I
you
tried to
put it
take
in
it
drive.
out of drive. I tried to take it out of drive. I reached back in and you threw me on the ground. Please, no.
Stop moving.
Sir,
Hey.
the answer.
I'm gonna tell you once, all right?
Sir, I comprehend. I do whatever you ask.
All right, I'm gonna stand you up and don't do anything stupid, okay?
I
All right, on 3, 1, 2, 3.
I promise, sir, wait. Please, I got cocky on me.
What's
and
up?
my wrist, my shoulder, please, sir.
Let's go. Come on.
Sir, please.
Take a walk.
Please, let me move.
Let's go.
Give me a moment, please. Give me a moment.
Let's go.
My wrist.
Whose car is it? Yours?
I just put it in yours real quick.
Yeah.
Where's yours at? The second one? Right here. Get up.
My
Stay
shoulder.
right there.
I told you to do whatever you like. Please. I can't if he has my leg, ma'am. Please, my wrist. I can't.
It's not
He
meant,
has
it's
my
not meant
leg.
to be comfortable.
Sir, he got my
You're
leg.
throwing yourself on the floor.
I'm trying
making it
to.
worse.
Sir, I won't do that.
So then stand up.
If you move your leg, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
There you go. Cool. Just spread your feet forward.
Stand right there.
Just spread your feet a little bit more.
Sir, you,
Cool. All right. Just
whatever you
hang
like.
tight.
Whatever you like.
Yep. Just stay there. Okay. You have anything in your pockets that's gonna harm us?
no
Poke
weapons,
us,
sir.
stick us?
No
anything like
weapons,
that?
sir.
No.
No.
Okay.
I just want you to. Please, sir.
Unfortunately, handcuffs are not made to be comfortable, so I can't.
It's the
do
way
anything
they're
about
put
that,
on,
okay?
sir. It's the way to put on.
They're put on like that because you just had
Sir,
an officer ran over because you put the car in drive.
No, sir. I'm
You
trying,
escalated this whole situation.
At this point, I
trying
suggest
to
you
move
just
the
don't say
car.
anything, okay? Just keep
I'm
quiet.
trying to get the car, put it in park, and you got me through on the ground.
Anything in your pockets that hurt me,
sir.
stab me.
No, sir. This search is illegal. This search is illegal. You're supposed to bring a supervisor here. You didn't read me my rights. This is illegal. I got a feces on me that the officer pushed me on my. That's feces, ma'am. Yeah, that's feces that crushed my ass. Oh, please. My arm, my wrist, please. My wrist, please. Yeah, there's nothing weapons. No weapons. Hey, sir, there's no weapons in here, sir. Just tell my balls, sir. May I please have a wipey or something? I got feces on me, please. I'm a human,
Not
sir.
right now. We'll deal with that in a second, okay? Just have a seat in there. Okay?
Hold on, sir, please. One moment. This wrist right here. Thank you.
Yep. All right, man. Put your pants up, bro. Just have a seat for me, okay? Go ahead, man.
They don't see that thing.
Wait up.
Go ahead. Have a seat, man. Get up in there for me. There you go. Hang tight. Come on. Up and away you go.
Can you please adjust this one?
I can't because I'm not the one in charge here, okay?
Please.
Watch your legs.
I'm a human.
During the struggle, the vehicle unexpectedly moved, creating an even more dangerous situation. Officers wrestled with the suspect near the roadway as the SUV rolled forward. In the chaos, Officer Zachary Mathews was struck and seriously injured, turning the encounter into a critical incident.
I put his gear in his car.
Yeah, I just got his watch off him.
Oh, yeah. ¿Qué pasó?
Left the car and drive. Left the car and drive. Car started busting off. I'm sitting there, he's running out into the road. But I hear him yelling and screaming and he's getting ran over, but this guy's trying to run off.
This bag is all over the ground over here. Like there's the spring and all over it. So it's
Yeah, there's like all the ammo and shit. But
yeah. I don't know if we want to pick it all up. But
there's ammo. You got ran over. So we're picking it up. We're leaving it here. What are we doing?
What do you need?
Hey, Sarge. These rounds on for if you were to pick him up, but when we stay there is
What are they?
ammo. Came out of his mag.
Okay. Here's a firearm.
No, Matthews.
Oh, Matthews.
When I ran him over, his mag came off and broke. I guess the extra mag. His ammo's on the ground. You want to stay there for now and not touch it?
What do you want? Just take a picture of it and pick it up for him. For the mags and stuff? Just pick a bar. Yeah, take pictures of it.
Following the incident, the suspect was taken into custody and transported for further processing. He now faces multiple charges, including resisting arrest and drug-related offenses. What began as a routine traffic stop ultimately escalated into a violent encounter, leaving one officer injured and resulting in multiple criminal charges against the suspect.